Carrot drink.
A carrot drink is a voila.
Especially the mango. The mango was so
Here.
Cheers.
Say hi, Amen.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
Beer. This is not gonna be good.
Why?
I am
you got-
terrible on camera.
No, you're not.
Yes,
Really?
I am.
Did you get that here? Or here?
Yeah, I just got here.
Okay. I'm with Amen right now.
Nope, I've never been there before. So.
Are you lying or not?
No, I don't, what? Actually, no. I went for a snow cone once
Okay.
when I was in.
Wait,
Like
do,
8.
do you like it?
Yeah, I liked it. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
What do you want to try now?
I want to like try like some
Huh?
Filipino food or like Thai food.
Actually, I'm eating Thai food. Like, every time I went there, I always ate Thai food.
Yeah, do they have good Thai food?
Yeah.
I haven't ever like had the actual like food, so I'm interested.
They want me food truck here. May mga
Okay.
food truck na dito. And now, a Filipino supermarket thing. We call it Filipino thing. That one, but we can, do you wanna like park here or keep going? Maybe keep going and
Keep
then
going, we keep
right
going like
here.
the front.
Yeah, I mean there. I'm gonna eat there.
Wait, is it?
With meal. Come up with our meal. You know what?
No, it's
Anyway, I am going to. We got here already. Oh.
Seven Brothers.
Yeah, it's really famous here in the island. I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, even brothers are over there.
Yeah. Oh, the ball deck.
Yeah. Have you heard about that?
We used to cook it at school.
Really? Like my friend really like recommended me that one. Like, oh, you can try like Mount Dry. Like now we're gonna go in the middle part, and I think we're gonna be ending up on that area. So it's really like a full area tour with the Amen. The famous one, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people were eating there.
Yeah, that one's like been here for 60 years.
Oh, we're raining. Ooh. I like it. Here, rain. No.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they have the white. Yeah. You like them? No? Amen. No? What do you
I don't
mean?
know. I kind of like those better. Those are.
Are you commandments? So weird.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
You need four. You need four.
I don't.
It's so
You're gonna have
beautiful.
I for 20. $4 a piece.
You want these things with me? You like them? They like kind of like real life. Right.
That's it.
No,
Yeah.
you like them kind of thing. They're 4.25. So you can buy them. And that one, $2.15.
You gonna get one of these?
You like them? And that one, 4.20. Hi, 4.20. Okay, Alan and I we get this one. Not one, four.
4. Yep.
Four of them. So it's four for $20.
Yeah. 4 for 20.
Yeah, like a good kind of souvenir that you can have.
Find the places with ice cream and shave ice
Yeah.
mixed together.
For what?
That's the good.
Are you right now one?
Yeah. I think it's a town now. Oh man,
You're
probably.
not, well, you're not allowed to, right?
Yeah, I'm not allowed to drive there. We would be there.
Yeah. Angel. How are you? Hello. I'm recording.
Wow.
Yeah.
Aw.
Like the feel. Anna and I.
Yeah.
Decided the tiny
Yeah.
food are we gonna order. Okay, Alman gonna order the coconut drink. And I'll be ordering the calaman. And we were gonna order green roll. And high protein for Alman. Oh Lord.
Yeah. Then I get number 35. And 30. Yeah. And 36. As well as 20. So. And then 23. Spring roll. And then one Thai tea.
It really is though. Real. Right? I mean, you're not color.
Yeah. I'm not bad. Oh.
I feel that. Are you condemning?
Oh yes. Yes.
Oh, what's this? An angle?
Oh yes.
You feel them.
Those look good. You should like open it up and then like have them all lined up. Get some B-roll for. Oh yeah, I know my terminology. Yep.
Okay, alright. I have this one. What? Oh, that's me, right?
Coconut chip. Yep. Yeah.
Okay. I'm order. And calamari for me.
What is calamari?
Calamari, like, a green thing. I don't know one. It's really good. Wait, let me just show you everything. Thank you. I don't want to be exposed to that. Wait, do you like mustard?
Mustard. This is mustard?
I don't know. It is.
No, get the different minutes.
I'm sorry, I'm not really good in it. Identify
is it?
things. Is it like a vinegar thing? I don't know. You try them. Okay, you try them and you told them.
Here comes the honest review.
You like, I think you have a lemon. You can put them right here.
Yikes.
Ah.
Oh,
Have
yeah.
you eaten like in your head?
Hmm?
Have you tried like eating in your head?
My hand?
I
Just like this?
I want you to do that. Like in a Filipino thing.
Really? Oh.
No, okay. Make one. No, get one. In your head. No, do that.
Pinky up.
Okay, you do that. And then you leave it here. Oh no, we're not here.
Cheers.
Or
Oh,
right?
that's pretty good.
And like, I don't know, like meat in there. I don't know. Really good.
Oh, that's good.
I get,
That's
I
really
get wine in there, like herring, like dipping.
Sure. Yeah.
I haven't had that.
I can like flip to the other side and then eat like that.
Yeah. I'll do that too. Oh, it's really good.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh,
Mm.
it is good. It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You can try this one too. Okay, I'll try one. You try one for me. And you tell me one.
Okay.
You can dip it if you want. Have more. I can eat them all.
Oh, that is good.
Really?
I really like that.
How do you like them?
Hmm?
How do you like them? Like, what
I
does
like-
it taste like?
Tastes like chicken. Not really.
Mm.
I don't know. I don't know what they taste like.
Okay. They're good. I like how it's blurry.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Blur the background.
Yeah. I want you to eat your food
Like a film.
yeah,
You know?
like a Filipino thing. Okay. Filipino way. So, you get rice. Whoa. Do it.
Just like this?
Yeah?
But there's lime all over it.
Okay. No, don't eat yet. Like,
Just like that?
I don't okay. You're gonna learn how to eat.
Okay.
Okay, I'm thinking I learn how to eat. And then you dip it. And you want it in the top. And then you that's weird, right?
That's actually not a bad way.
Really?
If my mom would let me do that, I would probably eat like that.
Okay. Maybe not enough in one.
But I'm not at home.
So you're not gonna eat when you're at home. You're there. And you do
It's
that.
like,
And how do your mom hold you like that? How are you doing? Why are you playing with the food?
like, hey, Joseph, talk.
Oh, actually, you're really good. You know what, like American missionary?
Mhm.
They do that. They do that. And then. But you're really good though. I mean, you learned from there.
I learned from the best, so. Oh.
Whoa, okay.
Mm.
I'm like really eating in Filipino way. I think you're good. Like you're not, you wanna do it, then eat normally. I think it's right.
Yeah. Appointment. Not like.
And I ordered like a carrot. It's really healthy. A carrot drink.
A carrot drink is a carrot drink?
Yeah, almond.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the funniest carrot drink I've ever seen.
A carrot drink. Not really healthy, right? I mean, I'm green.
Right. Really healthy.
You want it right now, Mama?
I'm good.
Not really good carrot drink.
Uh-huh.
Really? You want it right now?
That's all you. All you, buddy.
No, I'm the one ordered. He ordered it. It's like carrot. Right now.
Good carrots. I'm good. I'm good.
I think I offered. That Filipino tradition is out there. We offered food to anyone.
Really?
Now you learn. You're learning.
I'm learning a lot. My whole family doesn't like vinaigrette. I love it. It is so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Or maybe just eating that, but we're eating vinegar.
No, I like it.
I don't know, you like it a lot.
I do not.
You do.
Okay, for all of YouTube, this guy, first time I met him, said he was 32 and with 3 kids.
I am.
Sure.
I told you the truth.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And for him, he told me that he's burning his name, but it was 22.
I did not.
You did.
No, I didn't.
No, I remember that I asked you, like, I was, when is your birthday? I'm like, oh, June 21st. Like, oh, June 21st. That's when I remember that. And then, like, last week, I asked you again, you told me, like, 22, like, oh, you lied.
I did not. Oh.
Show them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna spill.
You got me look at your eye.
Mmm. Voila.
Voila. Right on.
Okay.
And it's hot.
It's so hot.
I love it. But I normally order it like before. I normally order it like one. And like by the time I eat, I open them and already cold.
It's cold, yeah.
And dry. So like the paper already absorbed the milk. But now I know how to order.
Yeah, order it last. That's
Yeah. It's really
Oh.
good. The mango is so sweet.
The mango is like just perfect for
Right? Do you like mango?
it. Mmm.
You do?
Favorite.
Really?
Favorite fruit.
Mango is so good. Everyone, it's so good.
So good. This is a must have. Like this was good, but like this is like a
Okay.
step above.
It's almond recommendation.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You eat them, almond. You normally eat them. Do you eat them? I get the name.
Oh.
Sorry. It's okay.
Oh. I'm so full.
Done. I'm done. So we're done eating, everyone, and we're heading back to Almond's car.
Yeah.
How do you like the food, Almond?
It was excellent. That was like
You like them?
I haven't had a lot of food truck food, but
Yeah.
like that was top notch. I loved it.
Okay.
Especially the mango.
Really?
The mango was so
That was your favorite?
yeah. Oh yeah.
For real? I always had them when I eat here.
You have to like invite some of my friends out to like do this again.
Yeah, you can invite them and eat here.
Yeah.
Okay, everything went well. Thank you, Aman,
Yeah.
for coming with me.
Thanks for inviting.
We ate a Kahuku food truck and touring them around. Yeah, everyone just messaged me, okay, and English is not really my first language. And I know I sound like trying hard. But I'm trying, at least I'm trying. Can you rate from 1 to 10, Amen?
I would say it was
And this morning,
Solid.
Amon went driving.
Yeah.
Sorry,
What is
Amon.
shaking me? I would say solid 8. 8.5 to 9.
That
I'd
was,
probably say 9.
that was an honest review.
Yeah. Honest review, it was pretty good.
So, Amon really liked it.
It was good.
But his favorite is the mango sticky rice.
Oh yeah. It was so good. I wasn't expecting to have like milk in it,
Yeah.
but it was like that was like the good part.
Amon.
Yeah, absolutely. Here.
Thank you, Amon. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Oh. Wait, sorry.
Alright. Cool.
Bye. I'm already here. Nakauwi na ako. Galing kain sa Kahuku. And I'm with Amon earlier. And yun. Umabot na tayo sa part na ito ng video. Marami ka lang panonood ninyo. That was, a Kahuku food truck tour Kahuku food truck tour and food review. So, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo with me and Aman. And yun lang, marami ka na panonood and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!